Back. We're back. Thank you very much. I'm here with Tasha Page Lockhart, her lovely mother Lisa Page Brooks, singing dual. Whole family could sing, and I appreciate you guys for blessing us here again on TV 57. You've been with us before. Talk to us about being here at the Trailblazers and honoring the honorees.
I'm excited and honored to be here again, and this is my third year in a row. Being here and second year in a row with Mom, and it's just a blessing just to be called back. That someone would just love you enough to ask you to come back, and then to be able to honor, people that sing and lift up the name of Jesus while they're still alive, to see it and appreciate it. It's a blessing within itself.
It is.
I got to ask your mom, being a legendary singer and singing with Witness and being solo, I'm honored to be talking to you. And thank you so much for the blessings down through the years. As the old folks would say, I'm telling my age, down through the years. Talk to us of what's new with you.
Actually, I'm finishing a new project. Well, hopefully it'll be done by March, and I'm getting a new single out, and just more of the same. I'm excited about it, and just grateful. Another year, a new endeavor, so I'm just excited.
We want to thank you for joining us right here on TV 57. Tasha Page Lockhart, her lovely mother, Lisa Page Brooks. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.